In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Roseville Public Library computer. We will discuss logging in, features of the computer, searching, downloads, and printing. This is the home screen you'll see when you sit down at a library computer. If the computer says available, it means that you can log on. Above available, it will tell you the computer number. It will be the same as the colored tent sign on the top of the monitor. The upper right corner will tell you which type of computer you're on. Computers are locked based on age. This means that a teen card will not work on adult computers and vice versa. To use a library computer, you will need a library card. If you live in Roseville, you can get a card for free. If you have a card from another library and are cooperative, you can use that. If you are not able to get a library card, a day pass can be purchased at the circulation desk for $3 cash. On the left, you will see information about upcoming or current programs at the library. If you move the mouse or press any key on the keyboard, the middle box will let you put in your library card info. You will put in your 14-digit library card number under the barcode on your card into the top box and put your 4-digit PIN number in the bottom box. Press Login. For issues logging in, see the librarian at the information desk. If you've put in your numbers correctly and pressed Log In, you will see the Confirm Your Use page. Click the Confirm button to continue. You will see information about the library's computer and internet policy, which can also be found on the website. It will also give you information on using computer and printing services. Click Continue in the upper right corner when you have finished with this page. This is your desktop screen after logging into the library computer. In the bottom right corner, you will see your computer time bar and options. If you click Other Options, you will be given the option to end your session or hide your screen. If you need to walk away from the computer to take a phone call, run to your car, or use the restroom, you can lock your computer while staying logged in by clicking Hide My Screen. It will have you create a password. This can be the same as your PIN or a word that you will remember when you return. Your time remaining will continue to count down while your computer is locked. If your session is going to end before you will return, you may ask the librarian to extend your session. If you'll be gone for more than 20 minutes, it's best to just end your session and log back in when you return so that you are not taking up a computer and so that it will not freeze while you are gone. Once you have locked your screen, it will look like this. It will not allow another patron to access the computer without the password. Move the mouse or press any key to open the box. Put in the password you created and press Resume Session. If you cannot get in, the librarian should be able to unlock the computer remotely. The library offers Microsoft Office applications for use, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Access. You may save files to the desktop, but these will be wiped after the end of your session. You must also save them to an external device in cloud storage or send them via email if you would like to save the copy after you leave. Clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner will open more computer applications. Here you can see other computer applications like music, photos, and calculator. You can also search for applications in the search bar in the bottom left corner. Now we'll discuss how to access the internet. When you are ready to use the internet, you can open one of the browsers in the upper left corner. Google Chrome, the beach ball, is usually the fastest and easiest to use. Firefox, the orange fox, is also a good browser. Microsoft Edge, the blue-green swirl, is the default Windows browser, but it is slower and will sometimes hinder actions like trying to print from email. Once you've opened your browser, you can begin going on websites or searching the internet. Click the small plus sign in the top bar of the browser to open a new tab. You can type the URL of a website or a search term in either the URL bar at the top or the search bar under the Google logo. Once you've searched for the term you want, you can select from the recommended searches or press Enter on your keyboard to search the term. If you want to look at this first image, you need to click on the image. The image selected will show up larger on the right side. To save the picture, right-click on the image and select Save Image As. The image will save to the Downloads folder with an automatic file name. You can also change the name of the file to something that you will remember or that accurately describes the image, then click Save. Your downloaded image will appear at the bottom of the browser. Clicking on this will open the image. To find the image you saved, click the folder icon at the bottom of the screen. This is called File Explorer. Since you saved the image in the Downloads folder, click the folder to find your file. Here's the file that was saved. Double-clicking on the file will open it. Now we'll talk about how to print from a library computer. This is only accurate for the Roseville Public Library. Printing may be different at other libraries within the system. To print the image you downloaded, click the icon that looks like a printer. Here, you can adjust the print until it looks as you want. You can change how many copies you want and click Print. Remember that the library printer will only print in black and white and that it is cash only. The computer will tell you the total for your prints. It is 20 cents per page. Once you click OK, it will send your print to the printer. You can now take your library card to the circulation desk at the front of the library to get your print. Your print will stay in the queue until closing time. The library also offers mobile printing from your personal computer or mobile device. You can print via email by forwarding the file to roseville-public-library-bw@printspots.com. You can also go to the library's website, click Mobile Printing, and upload the file from your device. Make sure to put your email address in the user info box. Click the green Print button. Printing limitations and pricing still apply whether you are printing from a library computer or your own device. Your print will stay in the queue until closing, so you can print from home and pick up the same day. When you are done, you can close out of everything by clicking the X in the upper right corner of each window. Once you've closed out of everything, you can log out of the library computer by pressing the End Session button in the bottom right corner. Click End Now to log out. The computer will now reboot and wipe the previous session. The next user will not be able to see anything you did on the computer. This also means that the library staff cannot retrieve anything you previously did on the computer. This is for the privacy and security of all computer users. Many of the computers are older and may freeze up. Try to minimize the amount of programs and tabs you have open at once. If your computer freezes, please tell the librarian at the desk. It will need to be rebooted before you can continue to use it or move to a new computer. For many tech issues, the librarian can handle it remotely from the desk. Due to limited staffing, the librarian cannot spend more than a few minutes helping you with the computer. They will show you what to do, then you must continue on your own. If you need more extensive help, please bring someone with computer experience to assist you. You may not talk on your cell phone in the computer area. If you need to use the phone for computer assistance, ask a librarian to use the phone-friendly computer. If you have any questions, you can contact the library via phone at 586-445-5407, via email at rsvlibraryservice@roseville-mi.gov, or via Facebook or Instagram messaging. You can also stop by in person whenever the library is open.